Hi, I'm Jerry Hall, founder of All-American Technician Academy and owner of Assured Comfort, a $10 million HVAC and plumbing company in metropolitan Atlanta, Georgia. I'm also an Army veteran, 82nd Airborne Division. Hey business owners, we can take highly motivated students through a one-week basic HVAC and life skills course and send you back an EPA certified individual ready to go to work. Sunday night begins with a hot meal and the beginning of life skills coaching. Monday, airflow, reading static duct pressures and uncovering airflow issues. Tuesday, refrigeration, using a reclaim machine, vacuum pump, recharging the system, and the use of subcooling and superheating. Wednesday, electrical, line versus low voltage circuits and the using of an electrical meter. Thursday, gas combustion, how an 80 and 95% efficiency furnace works. Friday, examine lab EPA certification and ATA exam, followed by hands-on assembly of HVAC units. A graduate is then ready to go back to work at their company with the knowledge and motivation to continue their path of learning to become a level 1 maintenance technician. As a fellow business owner, I respect the investment you're making in your students. That's one of the many reasons we offer a 180-day retraining guarantee. To enroll, text us at 770-858-7802 or visit our website at aatausa.com.